Welcome to Coco's Forest Adventure. Tonight's story, Mimi's Swimming Pool Adventure.
欢迎来到 Koko 的森林冒险。今晚的故事叫做《米米的游泳池冒险》。
Are you ready? Let's begin. Morning light danced through the tall trees.
Dewdrops shone on every single leaf.
Coco heard a sound behind the bushes.
She tiptoed closer, very carefully.
It was Mimi, looking up at the sky.
What do you see up there? Asked Koko.
Mimi pointed with a tiny hand.
Come look with me, said Mimi.
The other animals were playing together.
Mimi stood far away, watching them.
She wished she could join the fun.
But what if they do not want me?
Coco walked over to Mimi.
Hey! Come play with us, said Koko.
Mimi hesitated for a moment.
Are you sure? Asked Mimi softly.
They walked side by side on the path.
Koko told Mimi a funny story.
Mimi laughed for the first time today.
See? Things are getting better, said Koko.
The sun peeked through the clouds.
The sun came out just for us, said Mimi.
Coco and Mimi kept walking together.
They counted the flowers on the path.
1, 2, 3, 4, counted Mimi.
5, 6, 7, added Koko, laughing.
The forest felt warmer with a friend. A gentle rain began to fall.
Koko found a big leaf to share.
They huddled together under it.
Rain makes everything grow, said Koko.
Mimi laughed at a raindrop on her nose.
Even us? Asked Mimi. Even us.
Sunlight found its way through the trees.
It fell gently on both their faces.
I feel something different now, said Mimi.
That is called hope, said Koko softly.
Everything was better now.
Mimi smiled the biggest smile.
I could not have done this alone.
Koko gave Mimi a gentle pat.
We make a great team, Koko said.
Mimi nodded, eyes shining bright.
The two friends sat side by side.
The stars were starting to come out.
It was a perfect end to the day. A cool breeze whispered through the leaves.
It carried the smell of flowers and rain.
Coco leaned against the big oak tree.
Mimi sat close beside her.
No place felt safer than right here. Coco looked at Mimi one more time.
Listening is the beginning of understanding.
Mimi nodded slowly. It was true.
Some lessons you feel deep in your heart.
The forest wrapped them in gentle quiet. Let's learn our 3 words from today.
Word 1, pool.
Coco showed Mimi how to be pool.
Word 2, swim.
Coco and Mimi found something swim.
Word 3, splash.
Mimi learned what splash means today. Great job, little friends.
You learned 3 new words today.
Listening is the beginning of understanding.
Good night, everyone.
Sweet dreams, little friends. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.
晚安，小朋友。喜欢今天的故事吗？请按赞订阅我们的频道。
New stories every week. See you next time.